tip number 2 is to keep your calendar up to date. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I talk a lot on the phone with potential clients, with some of the people that I'm working with to run my business. And what I know to be really helpful in terms of keeping me organized is updating my calendar. So as I'm making plans with the people that I'm talking to on a day-to-day basis, I am updating my calendar in that moment, because what I've come to realize is that relying on my memory will fail me literally every single time. I used to be really good with just kind of keeping up to date with a mental, jog or log of what's happening. But y'all, that is not sufficient. It is not what organized people do. Keep your calendar up to date as these events or priorities happen. You want to make sure that you're just updating them in your calendar. Literally use your phone. If you walk around with a planner, use your planner, write it in your planner. But this again is going to be a daily routine that you want to establish for yourself so that you can be more organized, and so also that you're not missing important things that you need to get done.